Namaste, good morning to you all, and also welcome to today's mathematics class. In the previous class, we have discussed the types of fractions, equivalent fractions. Hope you have revised well. In today's session, we shall discuss the remaining problems from exercise 6.3. Let's move on to the topic. Next, we shall discuss the definition of simplest form. Simplest form of a fraction. A fraction a by b is said to be in the lowest term or simplest form if a and b have no common factor other than 1. The condition is a by b, here a and b have no common factor other than 1. For example, 5 by 6. 5 by 6 no common factors other than 1. Or 1 by 2. Or 3 by 4. These are the examples of simplest form of a fraction. Okay. Here 5 and 6 have no common factor other than 1. 1 and 2 have no common factors other than 1. 3 and 4 have no common factor other than 1. Yes. Question number 3 from exercise 6.3. Reduce the following fractions to their simplest form. The first option 20 by 50. Okay, 20 by 50. We can cancel 0 and 0. So 20 by 50. We can cancel 0 and 0. So the remaining numbers 2 by 5. Here 2 and 5 have no common factors other than 1. So the simplest form of 2 by 5 is 2 by 5. 2 divided by 5. The next option 5 by 200. In 5 by 200 you can cancel by 5. 1 5s are 5. Here 4 5s are 20. Then 1 0. So 1 divided by 40. Once again 1 5s are 5. 4 5s are 20, then 0, 1 by 40. Here 1 and 40 have no common factors other than 1. So the simplest form of 1 by 40 is 1 by 40. The next option 20 by 36. 20 by 36. You can cancel by 4. How many 4s are in 20? 5 4s are 20. Then how many 4s are in 36? 9 4s are 36 is equal to 5 by 9. Here 5 and 9 have no common factors other than 1. So the simplest form of 5 by 9 is 5 by 9. Next option F, 15 by 80. 15 by 80. Here 5 is common for both numerator and denominator. So how many 5s are in 50? 3 5s are 50. How many 5s are in 80? 1 5s are 5. Then balance 3. 30. 6 5s are 30. Is equal to, here the numerator is 3 and the denominator is 16. So in 3 and 16, no common factors other than 1. So the simplest form is 3 by 16. The next option G, 8 by 40. Here 8 is common for both the numerator and denominator. So 8 by 40. 1 8s are 8 and 5 8s are 40. So the numerator is 1, denominator is 5. So here 1 and 5 have no common factors other than 1. So the simplest form of 1 by 5 is 1 by 5. Next option 26 by 100. In 26 by 100, 2 is common for both the numerator and denominator. So how many 2s are in 16? 1 2s are 2, 1 2 is 2 and 2 3s are 6. So 30. Then how many 2s are in 100? 5 2s are 10 and 1 0. Here 13 and 15, no common factors other than 1. So 13 by 15. The simplest form of 13 by 15 is 13 by 15. Next, question number 4, fill the boxes. The first fraction is given, you have to fill the other boxes. The first one, 3 by 4 is equal to dash by 16. So, in the denominator 4 into 4 is 16. 4 into 4 is 16. So, multiply 3 with 4. 3 into 4 is 12. The answer is 12. 4 into 4 is 16. So multiply 3 with 4. 3 into 4 is 12. Then compare the first fraction and the third fraction. First fraction 3 by 4. Third fraction dash by 32. 4 into 8 is 32. 4 into 8 is 32. So multiply 8 with 3. 8 into 3 is 24. 4 into 8 is 32. So multiply 8 with 3 is 24. Then by comparing the first fraction and the fourth fraction, the numerator is given 3 and 27. How many 3s are in 27? How many 3s are in 27? 9 3s are 27. So multiply 4 with 9. 4 into 9, 36. 4 into 9 is 36. Then comparing the first fraction and the last fraction, 3 by 4 and 36 divided by dash. By comparing the numerator 3 and 36, how many 3s are in 36? 12 3s are 36. 3 into 12 is 36. So multiply 12 with 4. 12 into 4. 48. So 3 by 4 is equal to 12 by 16 is equal to 24 by 32 is equal to 27 by 36 is equal to 36 by 48. So these are all equivalent fractions. In question number 6, identify the pairs of equivalent fractions, write yes or no. First option, 24 by 30 and 1 by 8. How to compare two fractions are equivalent or not? 24 here, 24 by 30 is the first fraction and 1 by 8 is the second fraction. How to compare these two fractions are equivalent or not? By cross multiplication, first we check the cross multiplication. 24 into 8 and 1 into 30. 24 into 8. 24 into 8. 8 4s are 32. Balance 3. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 192. And 1 into 30, 30. So the products are 192 and 30. So the cross products are not equal. They are not same. So the given two fractions are not equivalent. Here by applying cross multiplication, the products are 192 and 30. They are not equal. So 192 not equal to 30. So the given fractions 24 by 30 and 1 by 8 are not equivalent. Not equivalent. They are not equivalent. So the next option 24 by 52 and 6 by 30. So 24 by 52 and 6 by 30. By applying cross multiplication. 24 into 30, 6 into 52. 24 into 30, 24 into 30. 3 4s are 12, balance 1. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 1 4s are 4 and 1 2 is 2. 2, 7 plus 4, 11, balance 1, 3. So 312. The next one 6 into 52. So 52 into 6. 6 2s are 12, balance 1. 6 5 is 30 plus 1, 31. So 312. So 4 into 13 is 312. 6 into 52 is 312. So they are same. The cross products are equal. So 312 is equal to 312. Therefore the given fractions 24 by 52 and 6 by 13 are equivalent. They are equivalent fractions. Next option C, 3 by 5 and 54 by 63. 3 by 5 and 54 by 63. Okay. By applying cross multiplication, 3 into 63, 5 into 54. 3 into 63, 63 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 6 3s 1 8. So 189. Then 5 into 54, 20 balance 2, 25 plus 2 27, 270. So the cross products are not equal. First one is 189, second one is 270. They are not equal. So they are not equivalent. The pairs are not equivalent. Therefore 3 by 5 and 54 by 63 are not equivalent. Not equivalent fractions or not equivalent. Then option D, 24 by 32 and 3 by 4. First, by applying cross multiplication. 24 by 32 and 3 by 4. 24 and 4, 3 and 32. 24 into 4. Then 3 into 32. 24 into 4, balance 1, 9. So 96. Then 3 into 32, 6, 9. 96. So the cross products are equal. So 96 and 96 are equal. Therefore, the given fractions 24 by 32 and 3 by 4 are equivalent fractions. Therefore, 24 by 32 and 3 by 4 are equivalent. Next, we shall discuss the definition of like fraction and unlike fractions. Like fractions. Fractions having same denominator are called like fraction. Fractions having same denominator are called like fractions. For example, 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7. Here, the denominators of these fractions are same. Here 7, 7, 7. So, the fractions having same denominator are called like fractions. Then, unlike fractions. Fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. Having different denominators. For example, 1 by 2, here 3 by 4, 4 by 7. Here the denominator of 1 by 2 is 2. Here 4, here 7. They are different. Okay. So these fractions are unlike fractions. Next, comparison of fractions. First one, like fractions. In like fractions, a fraction with greater numerator is the greatest fraction. For example, 5 by 7 and 3 by 7. So these are like fractions. Why these are like fractions? Here the denominators are same. Okay, so these are like fractions. So which is greater? If the denominators are same, we have to compare the numerators. Here the greater numerator is 5. By comparing 3 and 5, 5 is greater than 3. So 5 by 7 is greater than 3 by 7. So by comparing the like fractions, the fractions with the greater numerator is the greatest fraction. Next, to compare unlike fractions. To compare unlike fractions, first convert them into equivalent like fractions. The fraction with the greater numerator is the greatest fraction. For example, compare the fractions 7 by 9 and 5 by 6. We compare the fractions 7 by 9 and 5 by 6. Here the denominators are different. So these are unlike fractions. Okay. So first convert them into equivalent like fractions. So the LCM of 9 and 6. The LCM of, we have to find out the LCM of 9 and 6. 9 comma 6. No. 3 3s are 9. 2 3s are 6. So the LCM is 3 into 3 into 2. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 2 is 18. So LCM is equal to 18. The first fraction 7 by 9. The second fraction 5 by 6. LCM of 9 and 6 is equal to 18. 3 into 3 9. 9 into 2 18. So first fraction 7 by 9. So how many 9s are 18? 2 9s are 18. So multiplying the numerator and denominator by 2 with 2. So 14 by 18. The second fraction 5 by 6. Multiplying the numerator and denominator with 3. 3. So 5 into 3 15. Here 6 into 3 18. So the denominators are same. 14 by 18, 15 by 18. So these fractions are like fractions. Here the denominators are same. They are like. Okay. 14 by 18 and 15 by 18. 14 by 18 and 15 by 18. These are like fractions. Denominators are same. So 15 by 18 is greater. So 14 by 18 less than 15 by 18. If the denominators are same, the greater numerator is the greater fraction. So 14 by 18 is same as 7 by 9. 7 by 9. So 7 by 9 is less than 15 by 18 is same as 5 by 6. So 7 by 9 is less than 5 by 6. Shortcut method 7 by 9 and 5 by 6 by applying cross multiplication 7 by 9, 5 by 6, 7 into 6 and 9 into 5. By applying cross multiplication 7 into 6 is equal to then 5 into 9. 7 into 6 42. 5 into 9 45. 42 and 45. By comparing 42 and 45, which is greater? 45 is greater. Okay. So 42 less than 45. 42 is same as, here the 42 means 7 into 6. 7 into 6 is the first one side and 9 into 5 is the second portion. Okay. So 42 means 7 into 6 less than 45 means 5 into 9. Okay. So 7 by 9 is less than 5 by 6. 42 is less than 45. So the first fraction is less than the second fraction. Here the first fraction is 7 by 9. So 7 by 9 is less than second fraction 5 by 6. Next we shall discuss the exercise problems. First problem from exercise 6.4. Fill each box using symbol greater than or less than. Option B 15 by 90 dash 12 by 90. So these are like fractions. Here the denominators are same. Okay. So by using the fill the box using the symbol less than, greater than or less than. Here the denominators are same. So the greater numerator is the greater fraction. Here by comparing 15 and 12, which is greater? 15 is greater. So 15 by 19 greater than 12 by 19. The next option, option C, 48 by 105. Here 57 by 105. Denominators are same. So by comparing the numerators, 48 and 57, which is greater? 57 is greater. So 48 by 105 less than 57 by 105. The next option, 11 by 21, 19 by 21. So denominators are same, like fractions. By comparing the numerators, 11 and 19, 19 is greater. So 11 by 21 less than 19 by 21. Next, question number 2. Fill each box with using greater than or less than. Option A, 5 by 12 dash 5 by 16. Here the numerators are same. The numerators are same. So by comparing 5 by 12 and 5 by 16, the fraction with the greater denominator is the smaller fraction. Greater denominator is the smaller fraction. Okay. So 5 by 12 and 5 by 16, which is greater? 5 by 12 is greater. If the numerators are same, then the compare the denominators 12 and 16. If the numerators are same, the greater denominator is the smaller fraction. So 5 by 12 greater than 5 by 16. Then 3 by 8 and 3 by 5. Here the numerators are same. So compare the denominators 5 and 8. Here the greater denominator is 8. Okay, greater denominator is 8. So the smaller fraction is 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 is less than 3 by 5. Option E, 15 by 31 and 15 by 23. Here the numerators are same. Okay, so by comparing 15 by 31 and 15 by 23, here the greater denominator is this one. 15 by 31, here the greater denominator is 31. So by comparing these two fractions, the smaller fraction is 15 by 31. So 15 by 31 is less than 15 by 23. Question number 3. Convert each of the pairs of fractions into like fractions and then fill the correct symbol less than or greater than in the boxes. 3. 9 by 10 dash 11 by 12. Here the denominators of these fractions are different. These are unlike fractions. First, convert these fractions into equivalent like fractions. First of all, we have to find out the LCM of 10 and 12. LCM of 10 and 12. 10, 12. Start with 2. 5 2s are 10 and 6 2s are 12. In 5 and 6, no common factors other than 1. So, multiplying these numbers, 2 into 5, 10. 10 into 6, 60. So, LCM of 10 and 12 is 60. The first fraction, 9 by 10. Multiply 10 with 6, we get 60. So, 9 into 6 divided by 10 into 6 is equal to 54 divided by 60. The next fraction, 11 by 12. Multiply 12 with 5, we get 60. So 11 into 5 divided by 12 into 5 is equal to 11 into 5, 55 divided by 12 into 5, 60. So by comparing 54 by 60 and 55 by 60, 54 by 60 and 55 by 60. These are like fractions, denominators are same. So greater numerator is the greater fraction. So 54 by 60 less than 55 by 60. Then 54 by 60 same as 9 by 10. So 9 by 10 is less than 50 by 60 same as 11 by 12. 11 by 12. So 9 by 10 is less than 11 by 12. The next option 3 by 10 and 5 by 12. First 10 and 12. They are different unlike fractions. So LCM of 10 and 12. Start with 2. 5 2s are 10 and 6 2s are 12. Then in 5 and 6 no common factor is other than 1. So the LCM is 2 into 5 into 6. 2 into 5 10. 10 into 6 60. The LCM is 60. The first fraction 3 by 10. Multiply 10 with 6. We get 16. So 3 into 6 divided by 10 into 6. 18 by 60. Second fraction 5 by 12. Multiply 12 with 5, we get 16. So 5 into 5 divided by 12 into 5. 25 by 60. We compare these two fractions. 18 by 60 and 25 by 60. Here the denominators are same. These are like fractions. The greater numerator is a greater fraction. So 18 by 60 less than 25 by 60. 80 by 60 is same as 3 by 10. So 3 by 10 is less than 25 by 60, 5 by 10. So 3 by 10 is less than 5 by 12. 3 by 10 is less than 5 by 12. Next option F 2 by 7 dash 3 by 28. Here the denominators are 7 and 28. They are different. So unlike fractions. First convert them into equivalent like fractions. Have to find out the LCM of 7 and 28. 7 comma 28. The multiples of 7. So 1 7s are 7, 4 7s are 28. So multiplying these numbers 7 into 1, 7, 7 into 4, 28. The LCM is 28. So the first fraction 2 by 7. Multiply 7 with 4, we get 28. So 2 into 4 divided by 7 into 4. 2 into 4, 8 divided by 28. Next fraction 3 by 28. Here the denominator is same 28. So we write the same fraction 3 by 28. By comparing 8 by 28 and 3 by 28, 8 by 28 and 3 by 28, these are like fractions. Here the numerator 8 is greater. By comparing the numerator is 8 and 3, 8 is greater. So 8 by 28 greater than 3 by 28. 8 by 28 is same as 2 by 7. So 2 by 7 is greater than 3 by 28 is same as 3 by 28. So 2 by 7 is greater than 3 by 28. The next option 3 by 8 and 2 by 5. No, as the same method, we have to find out the LCM of 8 and 5. 8 and 5. Here in 8 and 5, there are no common factors other than 1. So multiplying 8 into 5, the LCM is 40. The first fraction 3 by 8 is equal to multiplying 8 with 5, we get 40. So 3 into 5 divided by 8 into 5, 15 by 40. The next fraction 2 by 5. So multiply 5 with 8, we get 40. So 2 into 8 divided by 5 into 8 is equal to 16 by 40. So these are like fractions. By comparing the like fractions, 16 by 40 and 16 by 40, which is greater. Here the numerator is 16, numerator is 15. So this is greater. So 15 by 40 is less than 16 by 40. 15 by 40 is same as 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 is less than 2 by 5. This is less than 2 by 5. Today we have discussed the like fractions, unlike fractions and comparison of fractions. Hope it is clear for you all. If you have any doubt, please note it and keep. We will discuss it during the online session. Thank you for watching.